People keep arriving at this camp, which is already at breaking point, and the manager has told us that they don't have enough help, also healthcare. A massive issue here. People are arriving sick. There has been no healthcare, no health access under ISIL, and this is a real struggle. One woman stopping us and saying, "I need a pharmacy, please help me find a pharmacy." Now, we've been following the humanitarian story since the offensive for West Mosul began, and it is a scale, on an unprecedented scale. We're talking about around 10,000 people being forced out of their homes every single day, and that is causing a major challenge for the aid agencies, for the local authorities to deal with. Having said that, if we talk about the personal stories that we've been hearing, we've been trying to keep telling them in a different way, because what happens with an international audience is that people get story fatigue. Now, let me tell you, there is no story fatigue to be had here. These are individual families, women, children, husbands, sons, everyone telling us the most heartbreaking of situations, either having lost family members, not knowing where they're supposed to be going, their houses are destroyed, they've been starving, children haven't been in school for years. I could go on and on and on. People are distraught, they are exhausted. Many of them say they are starving. And it's very difficult. As journalists particularly, we try, and we have to be, separate to our stories. We need to be unbiased, but it is very difficult not to be affected by the personal stories that we are told constantly here. For example, just being here, we have people coming up to us all the time. One man saying, "I walked for 3 days, his little son had what seemed to be his face has been burnt, he'd just been given an ointment because of a mortar shell when they fled." And the stories go on, and I think it's really important for people to remember that this is happening on a daily basis, the byproduct of this war. You have tens of thousands of people in what is an unbearable humanitarian situation.
We're here at the Live Wall having a look at what's coming in. Snow in the United States. This is Times Square, the crossroads of the world in New York, as they call it. Plenty of snow, that storm coming through the northeast of the United States. We've been seeing lots of that, and we'll have some pictures, I'm sure, later on in our weather. Right now, Mariam